everyone. Hello. So, welcome to another weekly analysis. So, this week we're focusing on just two pairs, USD CHF and USD JPY. For now, these are the pairs that are, trending in the direction that we desire. You know, we might, we, some other people rather might be able to, or some traders might see opportunities on, or rather have opportunities on, Euro USD, GBP USD, but, I'm not other traders. It's something to you. That's one thing you have to understand that you need to be able to differentiate yourself from other people. You need to be able to separate what you do from other people. That's what make you, a specific trader. That's what will make you, you know, understand yourself better. So for this week, we're focusing on USD CHF. So on USD CHF, obviously we are bearish. We are bearish, and on the respective time frames, we are looking forward to keep selling. So on the daily time frame, you can see that we're having a lower low, lower high, lower low, and possibly having another lower high right here. So the most ideal thing to do is to have a retest into this level right here. Have a retest into this level right here. One is about one, yeah, so 85, 88, 0.885 500. So that's the most ideal thing to do right now, to have a retest into this level, and then a break of trend line and a break of a break of structure. So you can see how these confirmations are needed. I'm not just hoping for just anything to happen, but I need specific things to happen. You need specific things to happen, because if you go into the week, or you have a plan and say, okay, I need anything to happen, then anything is gonna happen, and then you're gonna make the wrong decision. You see what I'm saying to you? So you need these specific things to happen. So we need a break of trend line and a break of structure. And now this place right here is obviously the first take profit. This is our first take profit right here. So a break of counter trend line and a break of structure would give us the entry that we desire to be able to continue the selling to the downside and follow the overall selling pressure that USD CHF is providing us right now. So that's the USD on a nutshell. So USD JPY right now is obviously bearish as well. So we have to capitalize on these movements in the market. We have to capitalize. So on USJPY, what I can feel is happening right now is that we're putting a double top right here. That's what I think is going to happen. But what I think does not matter. What I think does not matter. So what we expect the market to do right now on the lower time frame is break completely, and then retest, and then keep falling to the downside. This is the plan. This is the plan. Will this happen? Maybe not. You see what I'm saying to you? It might not happen. It might not what happen, but there is a higher probability or a higher percentage in the market that it will happen. Not just because we plan it so, but because this is because of the data that is being provided for us to be able to plan our trade. So on USD JPY we are expecting sales. Why? Because we're bearish, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We haven't broken this high, right? So we're bearish. So on the 4 hour time frame, we need a break and a retest. On the 4 hour, you can see we're bearish. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. We're putting a lower high, but it's not a lower high until we break this lower low and form a lower low. So this is what we're expecting. So all we need right now on USD JPY is for it to give us a break to the downside, a retest, and then continue the sell to the downside. On the rest pairs on CAD JPY isn't really looking good, because it's still consolidating. This one thing people need to understand, that the market trends 40% of the time. It does not trend 95%. It does not trend every time. It trends 40%. So on USD JPY, we need the market to to give us opportunities. There are no opportunities right now, because why? We're still above these weekly areas of interest. So we need to be below here to sell. These are levels that we've marked from the daily time frame that gives us opportunities to sell from, not just anywhere, but precise areas in the market. You understand what I'm saying? To precise what areas in the market. So this video, is going to be very short. It's just 4 minutes right now. So normally it's like 10, 15 minutes, but this one is going to be about 4 minutes. So this is just a quick rundown on what I think is going to happen. A quick rundown. So I hope you lot understand. I hope you lot focus on what on your plan, because you can see that on here all we do is plan. You see, every time that the market go according to our plan? No. You see what I'm saying to you? No. But do we then lose the fact that the market is going against us at the moment. Do we take a loss? No, we do not take a loss. Why? Because we have a plan and we focus on our plan and we follow our plan. We execute the market, we execute our trades according to our plan. If it doesn't follow the plan, we do not execute and we avoid losses. That's how it goes in the market. So I hope and I pray that you lot continue to follow your trading plan. It's important, it's imperative that you follow your trading plan. So thank you. Have a great week. Ciao, ciao.